Hazrat Ibrahim has reported from Aswad, while we were sitting in the company of Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu, Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu came until he stood by us, and after greeting said, "The hypocrisy entered even the hearts of those people who were better than you are." Aswad said in amazement, "Glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, "Undoubtedly the hypocrites are in the lowest section of the hell." So Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu smiled, and Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu went and sat separately in a corner of the masjid. Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu then got up, and his students also scattered. Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu threw a pebble towards me, so I went close to him. Whereupon Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu said, I got astonished at his Hazrat ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu smile, for he had understood my statement that the hypocrisy had penetrated them who were better than you. But they repented, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu approved their repentance. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4602.